Hello viewer, welcome to MathBug channel. I am Krishna sir. Today in this session, I am going to solve the 19th problem from exercise 5.3 of NCERT textbook. So in the 19th problem, there are some logs. Logs are nothing but the trunks of the tree which are cut off from the tree. There are total 200 logs. So there are total 200 logs. So these 200 logs are arranged in rows. The first row contains 20 logs, the second row contains 19 logs, and the third row contains 18 logs, and so on. So these logs are arranged in this order. There are total 200 logs. So let us say Sn is equal to 200. So we need to find into how many rows the logs are arranged. That is, we need to find the value of n. So n is equal to how much? And we should also find the total number of logs placed in the last row. That is, we need to find Tn. That is the nth term. So nth term will give you the total number of logs arranged in the say top row. The arrangement of logs is in arithmetic progression. The first term a is equal to 20. So the common difference d is equal to second term minus first term. 19 minus 20, this is equal to minus 1. So we need to first find the value of n. We know that sum of n terms Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula. Now already it is given that Sn is equal to 200. So 200 is equal to n by 2 into 2 into the value of a is 20 plus the value of n we don't know. So n minus 1 into the value of d is minus 1. So here 2 is in denominator. If you take it to the other side, it will multiply. So 200 into 2 is nothing but, so 200 into 2 we will get it as 400 is equal to n into 2 into 20 is 40. So n into minus 1 is minus n, minus into minus plus, 1 into 1 is 1. So if you solve this, we will get 400 is equal to n into 41 minus n. So if you multiply this, we will get 400 is equal to 41n minus n square. Or we can write this as, if you bring this minus n square to the other side and 41n to the other side, we will get n square minus 41n plus 400 is equal to 0. So now we got a quadratic equation. We need to solve this quadratic equation, then we can find the value of n. Let us solve this quadratic equation. So I will write this quadratic equation as n square minus 25n minus 16n plus 400 is equal to 0. So if you solve this quadratic equation, I will get n into n minus 25 minus 16 into n minus 25 is equal to 0, or n minus 25 into n minus 16 is equal to 0. Therefore, we can say that n is equal to 25 comma 16. So we are getting two values for n. So now we need to verify which is the correct value of n. So now let us assume that the value of n is 25. Now I will find out T25. So we know that Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula to find the nth term. Now let us find T25. T25 is equal to a is nothing but 20 plus 25 minus 1. Here the value of n is 25 into the value of d is minus 1. So this is equal to 20 plus 25 minus 1 is 24 into minus 1. So this is equal to 20 plus into minus is minus 24. This is equal to minus 4. So we are getting the nth term. That means the number of logs on the topmost row, we are getting it as minus 4, which cannot be true. This cannot be true. So our assumption that n is equal to 25 is wrong. So n cannot be equal to 25. Therefore, we can say that the value of n is equal to 16. Now we need to find the value of T16. That is, how many logs are present on the topmost row. So let us find T16. T16 is equal to A is nothing but 20 plus 16, n minus 1. 16 minus 1 into the value of D is minus 1. So this is equal to 20 plus 16 minus 1 is nothing but 15 into minus 1. So this is equal to 20 plus into minus is minus 15. So 20 minus 15 is equal to 5. So on the topmost row, there are total 5 logs. So 5 logs are kept on the topmost row. There are total 16 rows. So all these 200 logs are arranged in total 16 rows, and the last row, topmost row, consists of 5 logs. So these are our required answers. So n is equal to 16 and T16 is equal to 5. So this is our required answer. So I hope that you like this session, and if you want to really encourage me, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, share this video to your dear ones, and please post your comments. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Have a nice day.